Alright, so Tim showing you guys top SRA tweaks for iOS 11 to iOS 16. The first tweak is called ECG Enabler, and this right here is called with iOS 12.2 and above. Below iOS 13.5 plus watchOS version 6.2.5. You must have an Apple Watch Series 4 Plus, which is brought from ECG enabled countries or regions. So it tells you pretty much how to use it, but this allows you pretty much to enable ECG. This tweak is called ECG Support. This is actually a newer tweak, and this tweak will only work on Apple Watches that were brought from ECG supported countries. This requires reboot after installation. Please read instructions before installing this tweak. So compatibility is compatible with the Apple Watch Series 4 and 5, and tells you pretty much the full instructions right here. And this is a list of the ECG supported according to the Apple official information. Yep, United States is on there as well. This series called Xinaa version 1.1 is Xinaa for iOS, so this is compatible with all iOS versions, and it's a dark inline style design based icons handcrafted with iPhone style. So you see this looks like right here. So make your device look beautiful and attractive, or remain faithful with promise of keeping the update, always making it bigger and better with each update. Or save, and this is rootless is also another version. It's just music or save. But this right here is the rootless version. So this does support iOS 13.0 to iOS 16.4. So you can see this is what it looks like. And it allows you to save album artwork in the music.app. It's called by Netsis by iCraze. So he has been working on this tweak for quite some time, and it's actually finally out. So this right here is just updated on March 14th. It supports iOS 14 and 15.7.3. And you see this is exactly what it looks like, so it was actually pretty cool if you ask me. And you know, all these features right here. So customize all those features and custom compatible with these tweets. You guys can also read the refund policy. Apple File Conduct 2 supports iOS 11 to iOS 16. Works on any ARM64 device, including those using KPP-less jailbreaks, Electra, Meridian, etc. So it's a modified version of source original AFC2 code that downloads and installs an ARM64 copy of AFCD. It was added support for Xinaa15. Regular one, I'm using artwork save, so same thing. Just this is the root version one, not the rootless one. We have Comet. Alright, so we have Comet, and this is a Swift UI Preferences Framework tweak. So some screenshots of it. It's by Dylan West. Inspired by iOS 14 widgets called Smart Stats. So iOS 14, if you like iOS 14 widgets on the Springboard and can't wait for the public release of iOS 14 on this fall. I'm not sure whether to update in lose jailbreak or say current firmware. This pretty much brings iOS 14 widgets as an alternative to your device. And the last tweak is called Auto Answer XX, and this supports iOS 11 to iOS 16. It does cost $1.97. It's an auto answer phone, FaceTime, and any call kit calls. So you set your phone automatically to answer any specific number, FaceTime calls, and all other call kit apps like Viber, Skype, WhatsApp, etc. It can be used to unattended video conference, be monitoring, answering when driving, even have it switch automatically to speaker or Bluetooth. It lets you choose numbers that you wish to auto pick up, and that your phone will automatically answer the incoming call from those numbers either instantly or after the amount of seconds you specify. And yeah, you have all these features right here. So do a lot of cool stuff with this tweak. Let's see here. Auto answers your calls. Pretty cool. And it has support for iOS 15 and iOS 16. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.